Now, going forward though, if there's one thing I want you to take from this video is that having that mentorship is important, especially in today's age. Because in today's age, I'm seeing a lot of people and just society as a whole is just struggling to stay grounded in something. And that's what it looks like. They're just struggling to stay grounded in something. And it's not their fault. It's just that chaos is literally surrounding us on a constant basis. We're literally, you question everything. In fact, we don't even know what's real anymore. Where that grounding is what's important. And focusing on what we can control in those circles is important. But staying grounded isn't something that you can't just put all that weight on your shoulders. Sometimes you need that mentorship from those who came before you, from those who went through the same struggles, had the same issues. Staying grounded. Have some influence, have some input, everything to just make yourself stronger. And that mentorship is important.